You're listening to episode 7, Verbs and Phrasal Verbs in the Kitchen. Hello everyone, Kathy here, and you're listening to Angel's podcast, the Vocabulary Playlist. In this playlist, we will focus on vocabulary words for objects, verbs, and many more. Knowing many vocabulary words and their correct pronunciation will help you express yourself better and make speaking English easier. And we're here to help you do just that. If you're listening to this podcast for the first time, welcome! I hope you have a great time with us. Satyanani once said, "A little progress each day adds up to big results." And with that, let's start! Today, we will talk about verbs and a few phrasal verbs in the kitchen. We will learn some verbs for both baking and cooking in general. Alright, I will say the word once and you can repeat after me. Let's listen to some examples. Prepare the ingredients. Peel. Cut. Grate. Cook. Boil. Fry. Deep fry. Mix. Knead. Roll. Bake. Layer. Slice. Wash the dishes. Alright, now let's listen to a conversation between Lily and her brother Rob in their kitchen. Rob, let's cook pasta for lunch.
Sure.
First, let's prepare the ingredients.
All right. What do I need to do?
First, peel the onion and the garlic.
Okay. What's next?
Cut the onion and the garlic into small cubes.
All right.
While you do that, I will boil the pasta noodles and grate the cheese.
Lily, are you going to bake bread too?
Yes, I am.
What can I do to help?
First, you can mix the ingredients in the bowl.
Sure.
I will knead the dough and bake it later.
All right.
Thanks, Rob. I'll wash the dishes today. To help you remember, let's do a quick review. Here are some verbs and phrasal verbs in the kitchen. Prepare the ingredients. Peel. Cut. Grate. Cook. Boil. Fry. Deep fry. Mix. Knead. Roll. Bake. Layer. Slice. Wash the dishes. That's all we have for today. Thank you for learning with us. Remember to check us out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Google Podcasts, SoundCloud, and Podbean. Just search Angel Explorers. That's ANGELEXPLORERS. And you'll find us. Visit us on our YouTube channel if you want the transcript of our lessons. And always remember, A little progress each day adds up to big results. See you in the next lesson!